I could not be a police officer in Jamaica. I could not be a police officer in Jamaica because I believe that they are poorly trained. Yeah, me say poorly trained. They, on so many levels, they are poorly trained. From combative tactics all the way down to dealing with personnels. I could not be a I could not be a police officer in Jamaica because they are ill-equipped and they are sitting ducks in a country that is gone out of friggin' control. Now, I'm finishing work right now and I get ready to go home, right? And somebody just sent me this. Cop son shot dead in St. James attack while leaving Bible study. People are saying, yeah man, him father involved in things, SouFlo. Him father involved in things. And people come for them retribution. Or him father probably killed somebody upon duty and people come for pay him back. And you know in Jamaica we have a saying, you can't catch quacky catching shot. That means, sir, for those of you who don't understand that, if you do something to me and I'm not able to get to you, to exact my revenge upon you, and I see your children out in the streets or your mom or family members, loved one, whatever, I'll give it to them for you, right? So people are saying this could be one of those incidents. Anyways, the story goes like this. Son of a Trelawney corporal, right, was shot dead. The corporal arrived to pick up his son, which was his 16-year-old son, who had just finished Bible study. The son attends Cornwall College. The son was entering dad's vehicle when shots rang out. The poor 16-year-old gets so afraid him take off and run, only to realize that he had picked up one gunshot to the chest. The father returned fire in the whole Mali. The father returned fire, causing the gunman them to flee. The son was rushed to Cornwall Regional, where he died while undergoing surgery. 16 years old. People are saying right now, say, yo, when we are talking about, say, Andrew Holness need to step up, right? We're talking about implementing certain measures that we're going to talk about in another video, and we've talked about in videos before. Stay tuned. We're talking about stop and frisk. We're talking about return of the death penalty, hanging. We're talking about cameras everywhere, just for starters. Let me tell you something. At one point, I was one of them that was saying, no man, I don't support the return of the death penalty thing because enough people were innocent and get framed up, them are gonna get killed. I'm not saying hang everybody, but if it is proven beyond the shadow of a doubt, with me I talk about video evidence of you committing the crime, and that can happen if we had cameras everywhere. If we have evidence whereas your DNA is found at the crime scene on murder weapon, them kind of thing there, then your ass need to be fried, right? If these things are implemented in Jamaica, then we can start to talk about seeing a better society sometime soon. All these people talking about SouFLoTV only do them video here for views and ratings. I don't have to do these videos for views and ratings. Listen, I'm gonna tell you something. The highest viewed video on my channel, almost 1 million views now, is a video, a Yankee video. I talk about to a rapper. Check this out. All my years in the US Army Infantry, I can tell you about a well-oiled machine. I can look from the outside and tell you that JCF, Jamaica Constabulary Force, is not no well-oiled machine. And yes, corruption runs deep and all these other things. And bigger than all that, every friggin' body almost seems to be in denial. Either them in denial or everybody feel like, say, cho, me a bad man too, so me not afraid of nothing. Think about the average citizen, man, like this 16-year-old. Him not carry no gun. Think about the average citizen, like them old lady there and the old man or the old couple where them just slap where St. Thomas from Canada for no reason other than trying to rob the people. Think about your grandmother. Think about your mom. She not carry no gun in her purse to defend herself, and even if she is, she can't. You know what I'm saying? So when a society turns into something where we can no longer guarantee safety to the majority of our citizens, being that the elderly or the sick or the young, then problems. Want to talk up in the comment section? Let me hear what you got to say about this one. Is another one. Add that to the murder toll. Jamaica, out of control. SouFLoTV, man. Want to like, comment, share, subscribe when you don't know already. We will get to the bottom of this. We have some things coming on SouFLoTV to tackle these problems. Stay tuned. All right, I'm out. Peace.